Okay, so let's go ahead and get started in this tutorial. My hair is already washed and conditioned. I recently just dyed my hair black, so that's why it's jet black right now. I'm going to take this pick to do my part. You can use either a pick, rat tail comb, whatever you decide. That white stuff that's in my hair is like the leave-in conditioner I had in my hair because I didn't want my hair to be dry and it's still somewhat, still kind of damp in a sense. And working with damp hair is a lot easier than working with dry hair. So I'm going to go ahead and I sectioned off the front part of my hair and I'm just twisting it in front to just like move it out the way. And I will also do the same thing on the other side. Just take a section of your hair in the front and just go ahead and twist it, because I believe working in sections is a lot easier. And especially for my hair is pretty thick. So when you work in sections, it just helps everything go smoothly and a lot faster. Once you finish doing the front, then you can go ahead and move to the back. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm detangling my hair with the dimming brush. I really like using this dimming brush better than the wide tooth comb for some reason. But I'm just detangling this part and I'm going to just go ahead and twist it. I'm going to do that for the rest of my head. It's just a lot easier, like I said before, working in sections. So I'm just twisting everything up so it doesn't like dry up and what was I want to say? When your hair dries up, it shrinks. So you don't want your hair to shrink. So I'm taking 3 hair ties. And the reason I have 3 is because I'm going to tie down 3 different sections. And I'm going to use my Prostyle, the brown gel. The reason I don't really use the clear gel is just I don't really like using the clear gel when I do like molding down. So I'm just using the brown gel and taking a soft bristle brush. It's not quite like a real hard bristle brush, but it's kind of soft to just smooth everything out before I lay my brown gel on my hair. So I'm still preparing for my back section to be molded down. So I'm just smoothing everything. You just saw I took those 2 small sections and added it to the back of my head. And I'm just going to take like a thick little glob of brown gel and put it in different parts of my hair and smoothing it all the way through. You'll see me going back and forth between using my dimming brush and the soft bristle brush. The dimming brush is what I use to like distribute the product throughout my hair, and the soft bristle brush is what I use to just smooth everything out so it can lay nice and flat once I put it inside of a ponytail. So you kind of see me, I'm going to like rake my fingers through my puff because I don't want it to dry up. I want it to kind of stay stretched a little. And I'm just going to go ahead and move to that first section and section it off into 2 smaller sections. And I'm going to kind of layer the gel. So I will work one section, layer the gel, smooth it out, and then go into the next one and repeat the same step on the other side. So it's pretty repetitive. So I just finished the other side, and I'm just going over the front part and adding a little bit more gel to smooth it out. And then I will kind of brush downward while also holding my hair so I can bring out my little edges. And then I will do like some simple little baby hairs using Got To Be glue. And then I will go in and use my Got To Be freeze spray to seal everything in. So I did the other side of my baby hairs, and then I braided my ponytail and secured it with another hair tie in the back. And this is what it looked like in the back. And I'm just going to take some olive oil and put some on my ends and wrap my hair with a scarf. So you need some hair glue, and here's some hair from Klaiyi Hair. I went ahead and just put like a little bit, not too much glue on the track, and I started where my hair tie was, not underneath my hair tie where my ends were exposed, but right like above the hair tie. And I would just wrap it going up, but I did it very close together because I wanted it to kind of be really full. So this is the first bundle from Klaiyi Hair. I believe this inch is maybe 14 inches, if I'm not mistaken. I think this hair was 14 inches because I took this off of a wig. It was a hot glue wig. I was just like, well, let me go ahead and do a ponytail. So this is me just wrapping it up. And once I make it to where the end of the glue is, then I will hold it for a little while, and then I'll put more glue. And then I just keep repeating until I wrap all the way up to the top. Now I know some people will use like the hair, the wrapping paper, but I didn't have that, and I wasn't gonna go to the store and get that. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and just start gluing onto my hair, which when I took it down, I actually didn't have any problems with getting the glue out of my hair. I just used my fingers to do it and not with the comb. If you use a comb, you will yank out a lot of your hair. When you just go ahead and with your fingers and kind of pull out the glue, it's a lot better, and it causes less shedding and less damage on your hair. So I reached the end of the bundle, and to secure that end, I'm just taking a bobby pin and pinning it inside of my braid. And then I would just continue with the next bundle and just go ahead and do the same thing. Glue it and then wrap it and then glue it again and wrap it until I get to the top. And that's a little space that I have left. So now that I've came to the top of my head, I'm just going to get a little strip of piece of hair to, cover that track. And I also did bobby pin that end. and then I'm gonna go bobby pin that that string that I just wrapped around. So this is the finished look. I have in about 2 full bundles. Well, I got, where did track go? This left of a track. So basically 2 bundles in my ponytail. And I took a piece from the back and wrapped it around to cover up the strip that's in the back. And my camera's about to die, but here we go. I'm gonna take some Nair and Nair away my sideburns because I don't like my sideburns. But this is the finished look.